Luna Tales.
Hi, friends. Welcome to Luna Tales. Robin's hungry. No food. Emergency feeder. Help now.
Dry pinecone holds most seeds. Perfect for robin breakfast.
Butter every scale, up, down. Robin food glue, sticky. Seed bowl, push all sides. Seeds stick everywhere. Careful check. More seeds here, bald spot. Robin needs full feeder.
Yarn loop, double knot strong. Won't fall, Robin safe.
Robin eating now. Success! Breakfast buffet ready! Save your birds! Like and subscribe for more DIY.